If the depot manager had issued the letter, he should have made sure that the private security which was there, it was working. It was his duty. The depot is under him. Police chowki was right beside the bus. We don't see it as a political figure. We see them as an accused. The police doesn't care if he is connected to any political person. Unknown person के through rape होना, ये cases जो rarely होते हैं. जो known person से जो rape होते हैं, उस पे बिल्कुल society में alertness और spread होनी बहुत जरूरी है.
In the letter which has been given by the depot manager, the Transport Ministry as well as the police, it is mentioned that these private agents as well as other miscreant people, including anti-social elements, they are harassing people. They are also forcing them to take private buses. They are also touching the elderly people as well as children. How do you look at this? Because the actions were not initiated. You are mentioning that there were patrolling which was done, but on ground it's nothing.
I need to see that letter with what intention that letter was issued. And I think if the depot manager had issued the letter, he should have made sure that the private security which was there, it was working. It was his duty because the depot is under him, and he should have been alert with the security. If the security was not there, the CCTV which is footage which are showing us, that police chowki was right beside the bus. And the depot manager should have been alert about this, that his security which is working under him, if it was not there, he should have made sure, he should have contacted that security agency and made sure that security is being fulfilled there. But he did not do his job.
He wrote letter, but he is blaming the depot manager. He has written the letter asking for help for complaint as well as everything.
I think police has taken enough action. Whatever is in the control of police, the police has taken enough action. The incident which has happened, that has happened inside the stand. And inside the stand, the security is provided by ST Mahamandal. And I think the depot manager should have been more alert. Investigation, अभी जो आरोपी है, उसको हम ट्रैक कर रहे हैं. एंड बहुत ही जल्दी आरोपी है पकड़े जाएंगे. और उनका संभाव्य लोकेशन ये हमें मिल चुका है और जल्दी ही आरोपी हमें पकड़ेंगे.
Sir, there is a lot of pictures on social media. They accuse of a correction some politicians, and there are some pictures also are in social media.
See, जो आरोपी है, basically he is an accused, and accused never have any. They never have any. They don't have any caste background. We don't see it as a political figure. We see them as an accused, and he will be treated as an accused. We don't care. The police doesn't care if he is connected to any political person. That will not affect the action which we are going to take on him.
आपको लगता है कि पुलिस को आगे एक्शन कैसे लेना चाहिए ताकि रेप केसेस कम हो सके? 9 से ज्यादा रेप केसेस रजिस्टर हुए.
देखिए, जो रेप केसेस रजिस्टर्ड होते हैं, मेजरली दोज रेप केसेस आर, मतलब वो जो रेप होते हैं वो किसी पहचान के आदमी के द्वारा होते हैं, ऑलरेडी जो कांटेक्ट में पर्सन है उनके थ्रू होते हैं. तो मेजरली वैसे केसेस सामने आते हैं. अननोन पर्सन के थ्रू रेप होना, ये केसेस जो रेयरली होते हैं, लेकिन जरूर वो नहीं होने चाहिए. वो भी एक एज अ गवर्नमेंट वी आर डेफिनेटली ट्राइंग टू कर्ब दोस. और जो नॉन पर्सन से जो रेप होते हैं, उसमें बिल्कुल सोसाइटी में अलर्टनेस और स्प्रेड होनी बहुत जरूरी है. और इसके ऊपर जरूर हम पुलिस के डिपार्टमेंट के थ्रू भी अवेयरनेस के जो भी प्रोग्राम्स है वो चालू है.
लॉ में क्या अमेंडमेंट्स होने चाहिए सर?
ऑलरेडी लॉ में अमेंडमेंट्स हो चुके हैं. जो BNSS जो अभी देश में नया कायदा लागू हुआ है, उसके अंदर जो शक्ति जो कायदा महाराष्ट्र ने पारित किया था, उसके जो भी फाइंडिंग्स थे वो सब BNSS में आ चुके हैं. तो मेरे ख्याल से उसको भी इम्प्लीमेंट करना हमारे तरफ से चालू है.